everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here today because today's video is going to be all about that giveaway that you guys have been waiting for, and I cannot wait to tell you guys how to enter. Alright, so if you saw my last Look for Less video, you know that I made 2 sets of these puppies right here. I made 2 of these and 2 of these. And at the end of the video, I said I was going to give both of these away to you all as a thank you for following me on my channel and being the great supporters that you guys are. Now, one of you is going to go away with this lovely rustic set, while the other one will go away with this lovely whitewash set. Now, here is how you're going to do it. So before we start, in order to enter this giveaway, you have to be living within one of the 48 states of the contiguous United States. My channel is still a little bit small, and the more I grow, the farther I can ship to you all. So I hope you understand that. Again, it has to be one of the 48 states of the contiguous United States. All right, so here are the rules. 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and if you are watching this, you probably already are. 2, make sure you hit that notification bell next to the subscription button. That way, you guys are alerted the minute I announce those winners. 3, give this video a thumbs up. All right, 4, I want to know 3 things from you, so I need you to put these down in the comments below for me. I want to know what state you live in, which one you want, the light or the dark set, and where would you put them? For example, Texas, light, dining room. Easy enough. Lastly, I will leave the giveaway up for 5 days. That way I can ensure that everyone gets a chance to see the video and enter. Then I will pick my 2 random winners, and whatever set they choose, the light or the dark, is the one that they win. And that is it. That is all you have to do to enter the giveaway. And I'm sure that if you're at this point in the video right now, you've probably already done all of them. This is a sincere thank you for all of you who have been part of my familia for some time now. I know that there have been some of you that have been here from the very beginning, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. Also, the reason I chose these 2 candle holders was because they were a favorite among the first time I brought them up to you guys. Also, it was very fun to make 2 different styles, and it was a way for me to give something from me, made specifically by me, and of course the Latino engineer also helped. But it was something handmade by me that I hope you would love and cherish once you receive it. So I hope you're as excited as I am to participate in this giveaway. Again, you will have 5 days to enter, and I will see you guys next week with the winner. All right, until then, adios.